The ketogenic diet may have adverse effects on the body. In recent years, the ketogenic diet, also known as the fat diet, has become very popular. However, new research shows that long-term use of such a diet may cause cells to age faster and lead to damage to organs, especially the heart and kidneys. But these adverse effects can be easily offset by taking a break from the diet. The ketogenic diet involves limiting the consumption of carbohydrates and proteins to a minimum and focusing mainly on fats. The menu on such a diet should consist primarily of high-fat products, such as fatty meat and fish, butter, lard, oils, nuts, cream, eggs and full-fat dairy products. The ketogenic diet has gained great popularity in recent years because it allows you to quickly lose excess weight. But it's not for everyone. People who have problems with the liver, kidneys, and pancreas should not implement the principles of the ketogenic diet, because the excessive supply of fats may burden these organs too much. Therefore, it is best to consult a doctor when introducing a diet. In a recent study in mice, researchers at the University of Texas Health Science Center at San Antonio showed that long-term use of a ketogenic diet can cause cellular aging in tissues, which may affect heart and kidney function. But researchers reassure us that it is enough to take a break from the diet to get rid of the adverse effects of the keto diet. The description and results of the research were published in the journal Science Advances. 13 million Americans follow a ketogenic diet. We argue that you should take breaks from this diet, otherwise there may be long-term consequences, said David Gies, lead author of the new study. Reducing the consumption of carbohydrates and proteins causes the liver to start converting fat into ketone bodies and fatty acids. It forces the body to draw energy only from fats. And while the keto diet improves some health indicators and is effective for weight loss, it is also known to have pro-inflammatory effects. Scientists investigated the effect of a ketogenic diet on P53, a protein with strong anti-cancer properties. One of its roles is to control the aging process of cells. The immune system usually kills senescent cells. But when the process goes wrong, it can cause damage to the body. For example, if stem cells age, they can impair the tissue's ability to repair itself. Aging cells also release compounds that can cause inflammation and other harmful effects. In their study, scientists fed a group of mice a high-fat diet. 90% the calories the mice consumed came from fat. The control group of rodents was on a diet in which fat provided only 17% calories. After 3 weeks, the researchers analyzed tissue samples from their hearts, kidneys, liver, and brain. The team found that P53 protein levels increased in animals on the ketogenic diet. The researchers also detected an increase in other molecules that indicate the presence of senescent cells. But these cells disappeared after the mice were put on a normal diet. After a 3-week break, the level of senescent cells almost returned to normal. Researchers also examined the effects of an intermittent ketogenic diet. The team fed mice high-fat food for 4 days and then allowed them to eat normal food for 7 days. This cycle was repeated twice. Analysis of the animal's organs showed that these rodents did not accumulate senescent cells. The results suggest that the ketogenic diet may accelerate organ aging. On the other hand, the researchers were surprised that the senescent cells disappeared so quickly after returning to a normal diet. Cells do not regenerate, so it is possible that cells considered old may have entered a state of inactivity, which is reversible.